Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this class we are going to see the very important topics: finding the missing page number, and then we are going to see the basic definitions. Then we are going to see the divisibility concept. Yes, that is also very important concept. So therefore don't skip. Okay, don't look your notification etc. Concentrate the class sincerely. I will tell you the basic details with respect to finding the missing page number. This concept is very important. If you go through 2020 question paper, there was a question with respect to page number concept. Therefore, you need to give much importance to this topic. And before starting this class, I would like to say that aspirants, you need to learn some basic formulas which you have learned in your school days. That is ninth standard and 10th standard. So that is very important. Even in the college, you may not mathematics, okay, but you came across the max departments from ninth to 10th standard, okay, that level only required for the formulas. Don't say that you are not good in mathematics etc. Everybody came across ninth standard, 10th standard. I'll give you a simple formula to solve page related problems. Okay, take these formulas. Just one formula is more than enough. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc 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 plus n, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this you can call that as the sum of the n terms. Sum of the n terms. You can use another formula by using the AP concept, arithmetic progression concept. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that formula also fine. Okay, but there in geometric progression and arithmetic progression, then progression concept, there we will discuss those formulas. Here only one formula is enough. I'll give you additional set of two formulas. So related to this one, please take this two also. Okay, so 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc 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 plus n square. So which is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So then this one 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc 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 plus n cube. So which is same as the first one, but here only simple modification required, n into n plus 1 the whole square. So these three are very important. The first one is very important. Then I'm giving you one more additional. Okay, if you want you can take this. If you are not good, then leave this one. You can take this also. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc etc plus 2n minus 1 up to 2n minus 1, which is equal to n square. So this much enough, but first one is important. Okay, if you are taking these things well and good, then the first one is sum of the n terms, that is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, so which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Fine. Shall I move on to the questions?
Yes.
Okay, so very basic. Okay, first of all you start with the basic, then we will move on with the further UPSC kind of questions. What will be the sum of first 30 natural numbers? That's it. You can say sum of first 30 natural numbers. Here n has been provided. You know the simple formula for the up to n terms. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 30, right? So which is equal to 30 into 31 by 2. We have used the concept called as 1 plus 2 plus etc up to n, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Then you can cancel this one here, 15. Okay, so therefore 465. Hope you are understanding the very basic thing. Understood everyone? Anybody having doubt? Clear means we will move on to the next one. Okay, fine. We will move on to the next one. Okay, so you people try this one. A book has 50 pages numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 50. What is the sum of the all the page numbers of this book? Sum of the all the page numbers of this book. If you are done means you can give the answers in the chat box so that we can able to see. Right. Srinath giving. Okay, fine. So now you people learned the basic thing. So here n is equal to 50 up to 50. So therefore this is the thing. Please. So this is the 50. So which is equal to 50 into 51 by 2. So you can cancel this. 25 here 51. So therefore 1275. So everybody getting right the basic thing. You are clear with the basic thing. N into n plus 1. Fine, very good. So now let us move on with the next one. The sum of the pages of the book is 703. Find the number of pages in the book. Here we need to find out the number of pages. Here sum has been provided. Okay, I will teach you one question. Next question I will give you. You people try that question. Okay. So here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc plus n is equal to 703. That has been provided. Here you need to find out the n value. You know formula called as n into n plus 1 by 2. So which is equal to 703. Now n into n plus 1, you cross multiply this one. So therefore 6, 0, 1, 4. Now just do the factorization. N square plus n minus 1406, which is equal to 0. So I will tell you the factorization, listen carefully. So here this is the product. Okay. Then this is the sum. When you are multiplying the coefficient of n square with the constant, coefficient of n square with the constant, that is the product, we have to get a minus 1406. Then the sum is nothing but the middle term, the coefficient of n. You need to get the 1. So what are the two numbers? Listen carefully. When you are having options, then easily you can go with the multiplication. I will tell you now. Okay. So now here you need to get a 6 here. Alright. You need to get a 6. Obviously, if you know the tables and then the square terms, then it would be easy to solve this problem. if you know the square term. Okay, so you know what is 35 into 35? 35 into 35? Anybody? 35 into 35? 1225, isn't it? So you need to learn the square terms. That is my suggestion. After this class, learn the square terms, 35, 45 square, like this. Okay, that will help you to solve the questions in a simplest manner. Now among these, okay, 36, 35, 37, 38, among these only one of the values. Okay, now let us take trial and error method. If you are multiplying, okay, if you are multiplying with 38, now listen, what is the unit place? 6. Obviously this should be, so here I am taking 38. 38 into dash is equal to 6. Either 2, right? What else comes? 7, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Now listen. If you are placing here 3, then what will happen? If you are placing here 3, what will happen? Just check this one. 38 into 37, 38 into 32. Check whether you are getting. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. Let me tell you one more thing. Listen very carefully. Here, what is the sum? Sum should be 1. Now listen, we cannot take this one. Why? Since the difference, when you are doing difference, it is a 6, but
6.
you need to get a 1, so therefore eliminate this one. Now there is a 2 possibilities only, right? 38 into 37, that's it. The difference here is 1. Everyone understanding
Yes,
what I'm
sir.
now listen, suppose if I am taking with the options, listen carefully. I'm taking a option A, 36, right? Now that sum should be 1. Then what are the possibilities? 35 is possible, 37 is possible. Since if you subtract this one, 37 minus 36, you will get a 1. 37 minus 36, you will get a 1. Or else 36 minus this, you will get a. Okay. Now listen carefully. When you are multiplying this unit digit, 6 into 5 is equal to 0, but not 6. Therefore, we can eliminate 35. Now here, 36. Okay, here 7. 7 into 6, 42. But you need to get a 6 in the unit place. Therefore, we can eliminate the 36 itself. Are you understanding what I am trying to say? This kind of elimination techniques you can use. Now 35. Now listen carefully. You need to get a 1. So then what is the possibility? 34 and 36. When you are subtracting 36 minus, then okay. But you are multiplying the unit place, then it will come 0. Right? When you are multiplying the unit place, here also it comes 0. We can eliminate. Simple. 35 also eliminated. Right? Now let us move on with 37. 37 is here. So therefore next number is 38. When you are going back with the 36, what will happen? So now 7 into 6. The unit place is 2. Therefore we can eliminate this also. But here one more thing is there. We should not completely eliminate 37. Since we have to check here. So now check the product, 36 into 37. Are you getting 1406? Yes. Yes means yes. So yes means okay, fine. Now let us take this one, 38 here, 37 here. Now listen carefully. Product should be negative. Sum should be 1. So then you have to put minus in the smaller number. Now the product is minus, sum is 1. Now you can write like this, n plus 38, then n minus 37, which is equal to 0. Now n is equal to minus 38. Now n is equal to 37. Negative value you can eliminate. So therefore n is equal to 37 is the answer. If you are having any issues, please clarify. I'm going to give you one question. Now you people try. Shall I give you one question?
Sir, can you repeat it?
Tell me the exact position where you want me to repeat. Don't ask the whole problem since I have explained very slowly. Which part you want to?
Sir, from this is sum and product concept.
Just now I am explaining it very clearly, but it's again asking. You are having options 36, 35, 37, 38. The sum should be 1 year. Sum should be 1 year. Sum is nothing but the coefficient of n. Coefficient of n should be the what? Sum. The product is nothing but a coefficient of n square multiplied with the constant. Constant here is minus 1406. Now fine. This is the product and sum. So you need to get a 1 here. So therefore 36 is multiplied with a dash number which gives you 1 as a sum when you are adding or subtracting. 35 is possible, right? Or else 37 is possible. This is only possible. When you are multiplying 6 with the 5, you will get a 0 in the unit place. But actual the unit place is 6. Therefore, this is eliminated. So now 6 into 7, 42. The unit place is 2. But here the unit place should be 6. Therefore, eliminated. We can eliminate the full 36. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, similar way, you can do the another one, 35. In order to get a 1 as the sum, what will you do? Either 34 or else 36, here 35. If you subtract, then you will get a 1. So now the unit place getting multiplied, both the cases, the unit place here is 0, but not the 6. But you need to get the 6. Therefore, we can eliminate 35 also. Now understanding how we are eliminating both the things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us move on with the 37. In order to get a sum as a 1, sum as a 1 means you need to subtract. So therefore, here 36. Now, here 38, here 37. That is the nearest number to the 37. Now, when you are multiplying the unit places 7 into 6, you are getting 2 as the unit place. UP means unit place 2. But it should be 6. Therefore, we can eliminate this also. Now, multiply 38 into 37. Since the unit place here is 6, obviously we need to multiply completely. When you are multiplying completely, you are getting 1406. Therefore, the two numbers are 38 and 37. Then, the product contains negative. So, therefore, here we are subtracting. Therefore, you are getting 1 year. Therefore, minus 37. Now, multiplying minus, okay, plus into minus, minus 1406. Then 38 minus 37 is equal to 1. Then you can write as a n plus 38. Why n plus 38? Here plus. Therefore plus. Then n minus 37 which is equal to 0. Then when you are bringing separately, this can be written as n plus 38 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to minus 38. Now here this minus comes to the RHS. It will become a positive. Therefore n is equal to 37. The n should be positive. It is not negative. Therefore the answer is 37. I hope Nikita is clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear?
So one doubt here.
Yes.
Sir, for every question, the sum should be plus one only.
No. It varies to the problem. Listen.
So how will we?
Yes, I will tell you. If you want to find the sum, what I mentioned, coefficient of n is equal to sum. Understood? What is the coefficient of n here?
One, sir.
That is why we have taken 1. Clear? It
Okay, sir.
varies to the problem. Okay, fine. Now, shall I shall I give you one question? You people try. See, learn slowly. Don't worry. We are not in the neck of okay, January, February, etc. We are in June only. We can go slowly. Okay, but attend the live classes sincerely. 1.5 hours. When we are providing recordings, don't assume that you can learn everything from the recordings. It is not at all possible. I am repeatedly saying live classes are more important than the recordings. Then your choice. I can suggest only. Okay. Now, you people try this question. I'll wait. The options are same here. I just have explained everything. You people try. I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes. These 3 to 4 minutes are very quality time. You people working here with paper and pen. Those who are watching the screen simply, then it is very, they are wasting the time. Somparna Mitra gives 35. Anybody else? Vishal Sharma giving 35. Narmada gave 35. Nitasha Prakash giving 35. Srinath giving 35. Hope you people getting right how to do this one. That's it. Ashina also giving 35. Right. So this is n which is equal to 63. Okay. Therefore n plus 1 into n by 2 which is equal to 630, then 0, 6, then 1, 3. Isn't it? Am I right? Actually, up to this only, right? You people got. Okay. Now n square. Okay, everybody getting. Okay. N square plus n minus this one which is equal to 0. You can factorize. So here Chaudhary, here in this case also you are getting the sum as 1 plus 1, that
Yes,
2
sir.
in this case alone. But where is, okay, if you go through the algebra, you are having this kind of quadratic equations. In this quadratic equation, you will get the coefficient of n square as a 1. You will get in this form also, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which means that you are getting the coefficient as some number. Here you are getting the coefficients. Okay, that is the basic algebra. Okay, fine. So now what number you are doing here? 35 comma 35 comma 36 or 36, right? So therefore here negative means you need to put in a smaller number, since addition should be plus 1. Okay, now mm, let us
Excuse me,
give
sir.
a wait, let us give a time for Nikita, have you done this one?
Sir, it should be 1260 instead of
1260 wa?
1320.
1260, sir.
Okay, fine. 1260 wa? 1260. So everybody getting? Nikita, you are doing
Yes, sir.
able to get a factorization or not able to get? Nikita, you can able to do the factorization or not?
Not, sir.
Okay, listen, I will tell you the factorization. See, those who are not able to understand the factorization, listen carefully, I will teach you here. This is the 9th standard mathematics, listen very carefully. So now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, when you are doing the factorization, what you have to do here is just put like this. Now this is the product. Okay, some people will teach a plus also, like this also they will teach, but fine, that is also fine, not an issue. Now listen very carefully. Product means, okay, a into C. That is the product. Sum here means B. That is the sum. Now, everybody clear with this one? First step. Nikita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, step number 2. What you need to do here is after multiplying this one. Here, one thing you need to note, their signs also very important. Since plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. These things and all plays a very vital role here while doing the factorization. Now listen very carefully. So now, after this one, second step is, this is first step, you got minus 1360. So then you need to get a plus 1. You need to just identify the two numbers. You need to identify the two numbers. Okay. We are having options in the examination. Very easily you can go. 36 no. You need to get a plus 1 only, right? Plus 1 means obviously 35. Okay, 36 minus 35, or else what will happen if you are using 36? Your first option is this one. So obviously 37 minus 36 only gives you plus 1. Nikita, understanding this one?
Yes, sir.
Like this you need to work out. Okay. Now listen very carefully. When you are multiplying 6 into 5, obviously you are getting 0 in the unit place. Here also 0 in the unit place. Yes. Wait. Here in this case 7 into 6, 2. Therefore we can eliminate 37 and 32. Sorry, 37 and 36. Now you need to completely multiply 36 into 35. Multiply here 0, 3, then 15, then 15, then 18, then 8, then, isn't it? Understanding?
Yes,
1,
sir.
0, 6. Here 1 carries, therefore 2, 1. Yes, we are, sorry, here 1260. We are completely getting 1260. Right? So what are the two numbers now? You have written the two numbers now, 36 into 35. After you have written, you need to get a plus 1 here. In order to get the plus 1, you need to put negative sign in the smaller number when you are having the product as a negative. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So these things, 9th standard mathematics, please take and just go through this. That's it. My suggestions are go through the smaller school books. Okay. Now next one. Yes, this is a very important. Simple understanding is important for this question. Listen very carefully. The sum of the page numbers of the facing pages of the book is 373. What are the page numbers? So understand the concept here. You are having this page. You are having next page. Let us take this as a next page. If this is 2, then what is the next page?
4.
Oh my god. I mean backside page.
Backside, sir. 3.
Or else leave it. Facing page only, right? Like this. Keep like this. You are keeping a book open. Facing means this is only facing. If it is 2, then what is this one? 3. That's it. Right? Understanding everyone? If it is 4, then what is this one?
5.
5. So this is the next page. So that is the concept you need to understand here. Next page concept. This is only you need to understand. So in general, let's take this as a x. Then what would be this one?
Y.
X plus 1. Understood? Not y. X plus 1. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Now listen very carefully. This has been provided here. The sum of the, what do you mean by sum? Addition. Sum means addition. That's it. So therefore, x plus 1 has been provided here as a 373. Okay. What are the page numbers? We need to identify the page numbers. That's it. 2x plus 1 is equal to 373. 2x is equal to 373 minus 1. 372. 2x. Then x is equal to what? 186, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you know x is equal to 186, then x plus 1 is equal to 187. So therefore, what are the page numbers? 186 and 187. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't add. Don't add. What are the page numbers? That only you need to see. The addition is already provided here. Addition is already provided here. Okay. Now next one is very important. Very important. Next and all. Okay. Very important. Next three models are very important. Let me teach you these three models. If you follow these three models sincerely, surely you will get a 2.5 marks. Okay. So now listen very carefully. This is model number 1. So everybody take a note. Whatever I dictate, everything is important. Model number 1. I will tell you what is the model number 1. The model number 1 is added twice. That is the model number 1. Added twice. The page number of your book were added. So please remember. Now, the sum is obtained. Now listen carefully. One page was added twice. This is the keyword. Added twice. That is the keyword for the model 1. Find the page number which was added twice. Okay. Find the page number which was added twice. Now, listen very carefully. I don't know the page numbers. I don't know the total page number itself. Okay. So in this situation, what I am going to do here is I am taking the total page number as a n. Okay. So take this is the first step. Total number of pages as a n is equal to n, or else just you can take it as a n. Okay. Now you know sum is obtained as 1053. So which means that the sum is obtained up to this n page is nothing but a 1053. This has been provided. Now what is the formula here? N into n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1053. Now n into n plus 1 is equal to, just cross multiply this one. So here 6, then 0, now here 1, here 2. So listen carefully. This kind of problems, if you do the factorization method, surely it's wasting of time. I will tell you the simple steps to follow. Just follow this one. So what you need to do here after finding out this, to avoid the lengthiest process, is find out the, so I am writing the step 2. Step 2 is nothing but finding out the perfect square number. So let me write here itself. Find the perfect square number nearest to 2106. Nearest to 2106. If you know the table, then very easy. I will tell you the tables here. Listen, you know 40 into 40 itself, it will become a 1600. Now what would be the 45 into 45? Check with the 45 into 45. Checking now. Okay, we are checking. So what is 45 into 45? 45 into 45. Okay, very good. 2025. Now listen, you need to check the 46 into 46 also. Check 46 into 46. 46 into 46. What is 46 into 46? 2116, right? Very good. 2116. Now tell me which is the nearest. Nearest to 2106.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, listen very carefully, write the steps. So this is the nearest. Now understand one thing here. One page is added twice. Therefore, the sum is 1053. Okay. Similarly, 2106 also. Okay. Now, in this case, assume that if it is not added twice, obviously the sum is lesser than the 1053. Are you understanding what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
it
sir.
is if
Yes,
it
sir.
is not added twice, then the actual value is lesser than the 1053. Clear? Now, therefore, I am writing here.
Yes,
Now I am
sir.
writing here. 1053 is greater than the actual value. Am I right? Since added twice means this is
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Therefore, 2106 also greater than the actual value. Please remember, follow this step. Actual value. So in this case, what you need to do here is you should not take 46. So whatever the steps I'm saying, write it. You should not take 46. You should not take. So what you need to do here is, okay, write it. Or let me change the color of the pen. Okay, you take you take the number immediate 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 means next one. Okay, okay immediate before or lesser 246. So which is the immediate lesser number to the 46?
45.
Very good.
45.
That's it. That is what here. Okay, these wordings and all very important. You take the wordings, very important. Okay, 45. So therefore, listen carefully. Therefore, 45 pages were added. 45 pages were added. Okay, let us see if 45 pages were added, what will happen? If 45 pages were added, what will happen here? So you do the sum here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc 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 45. Then what will happen here? 45 into 46 by 2. So which is equal to, you can cancel this one here, 23, right? Now 45 into 23, you people say, so in your comment box, so therefore I will see here 45 into 23, 45 into 23, 1035. Very good, 1035. So now what you need to do here is step number 3. Listen, this is just step number 3. What you need to do here is, given, okay, or else if I write like this, you people will get a confusion. Listen, sum obtained, or else let me give directly, so therefore you can put like this itself. Okay, 1053 minus 1035, that's it. So which is equal to what? 18. So therefore 18th page number added twice, that's it. Clear? So go through the steps. I have written very clearly. If you are facing any doubt, please ask. I'm ready to explain again. But tell me where you are not able to understand. If completely understood means fine. Or else shall I repeat it for again? Choice is yours. One question was there. Okay, that is why I'm giving you this much importance. Fine, everybody clear?
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, ask.
Sir, in step number 2, last part, where you have multiplied 45 into 46 divided by 2.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
why we have multiplied?
That is the summation formula. Up to 45 pages,
Hmm.
you need to add.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Huh?
No, sir. That part I have understood that we have to add till 45. But why 45 into 46?
10 plus 1.
What? Why not 46?
Why 45 into 46?
See, what you have done here, n into n plus 1 by 2.
Understood. Understood, sir.
Understood? Very good. See, the initial things are very, very important. Whatever the doubts, basics are very important. You can clear. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, fine. That is why I started here with n into n plus 1 by 2 without coming to this kind of problems directly. Okay, now shall we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next is also very important model. You can take this as a model number 2. You can take this as a model number 2. Here, one page is left out here. Okay, one page left out. Previous concept is one page added. This concept is one page left out. Okay, so this is the concept. Now listen. A teacher asked his student to find sum of all pages of their book. One student gave the answer as 640. The teacher told him that he has not added one page. Find the page number which the student forgot to add. Okay, not added. Okay, after teacher found that one page not added. So this is the model number 2. How to do? You follow the same procedure. I will tell you where you need to change. Okay, so step 1 is same. Step 1 is same. So step 1 is take number of pages. Take number of pages as n. So what has been provided here? 640. The summation has been provided as a 640. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, which is equal to 640. Right. Now n into n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 640. Now n into n plus 1, which is equal to 1280. Now what is the second step? You need to find out the perfect square number nearest to 1280. Listen, this is the second step. Find a perfect square number nearest to 1280. If you know the table 35 into 35, then fine. So here checking now. You know 35 into 35, 1225. Just before I said, okay, few minutes before. Okay, 36 into 35, 1296. Which is nearest? 36 into 36.
1296.
36 here. Now understand one more thing in the question paper. Okay, the teacher told him that he has not added one page. So therefore the given value 640 is whether lesser or greater. What is the actual value? Since he is
Greater than,
since
Lesser, sir.
no, actual value should be greater than
Yes, sir.
640,
greater
isn't it?
than
Understood? Actual value should be greater than, see, you are calculating page number, you are getting 640, but you are leaving one page. That pages may be anything, even one also not an issue. If it is leaving this one, you are getting 640. Actually you are adding one means you will get a 641. So therefore actual value is greater than the given value, or else you can say the given value is lesser than the actual value. Understood the point?
yes,
Fine.
sir.
Okay, fine. Now therefore 640 is lesser than the actual value. Similarly 1280 is lesser than the actual value. So in this case what you need to do here is you do nothing. Whatever be the nearest number that you can take as a n. Whatever be the nearest number that you can take it as a n. So now step number 3. So now what is n here? So now n is equal to 36. Find n into n plus 1 by 2. So which is equal to what? 36 into 37 by 2. Cancel this one. We are getting 18 here. Right. Now 18 into 37. 666. This is the final one. Now you can do the step number 4. So this is nothing but find 666 minus 640. So which is equal to 26th page you have left out. So therefore the answer for this question is 26. Clear? The page number which the student forgot to add, 26th page. Clear these points? Only first concept only you need to very careful. Even second model, third model moves on the similar kind. Model 1 only you need to understand a bit. Clear? Anybody having a doubt here? Nikita able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Swati understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Ajay Puridaba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Dhanashree, Farsha, Ashina,
Yes, sir.
Lashmi, Madhuri, Mani.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, fine. Everybody fine. Dhanush, Punjichaba.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. So next one. So this model was asked in your UPSC 2020. I will teach you this question. After this question, I will give you the UPSC question. Okay, fine. Now, this is the model 3. So understand this model. Okay. In this model, what they will give? Simple. They will give you the page is torn. Okay. Which means it is removed. Okay. Or else a baby tore that page. Okay, that is meaning the torn. Okay, fine. The page is torn from a book. The sum of the remaining digit is digit. Listen carefully. The concept here is sum of the remaining digit is, which means you are adding all the pages. That is nothing but given as a remaining digit. Sum means you are adding all the digits, pages. That's it. What are the page number on the page torn from the book? Okay, we need to find out the page numbers which are torn from the book. Same procedure. Apply the step 1 here. So here you don't know the total number of pages. Take the total number of pages as n. See, learn this question very sincerely. I will give you the UPSC question. You people itself sincerely solve now itself. So now, after this, n into n plus 1 by 2, here which has been provided as 312. Now n into n plus 1, which is equal to 31. Okay, 2 into 2, multiply. Fine, 624. So this is n into n plus 1. So step number 2, you need to find out the nearest square, perfect square. Find
25
20.
into 20. 25 into 25.
Huh. Okay. Now checking now. So 25 into 25. Very good. 625. Now same procedure. Step number 3. Model 2. Whatever you have done, process. Same repeat here. Now n is equal to what? 25. Now find out this one. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 25 into 26 by 25. Cancel this one. 13. Now 25 into 13, 325. Then what you need to do is just find out the missing number. Fourth step is important. This is third step. Listen carefully. What is the missing number? 325 minus 312, which is equal to 13. Listen carefully. The question provided you as the sum of the remaining. So this is 13 is nothing but the sum. 13 is nothing but the sum. Please remember 13 is nothing but the sum. Which means this page and this page total has been given as we have found total as a 13, which means what? X into x plus 1, that is the 13. I hope people are getting now why I have done the beginning. Okay, why I have done these things in the beginning. I have explained this one, what to do here. Turn means obviously one page you are turning means it will remove the x and x plus 1. The sum has been provided, which means missing number is 13. This 13 is nothing but the sum of pages. Okay, now you can find out. So 13, now 2x, which is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. What are the page numbers? 6, 7.
7.
People getting clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine, very good. Now I am going to give you a UPSC question. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes. You people copy these steps. This question step you people copy. I'll give you the UPSC question without seeing anywhere. Follow the steps and give the answer. I'll wait. Okay. Have you all taken these 4 steps? If you all taken this 4 step means I'll give you the UPSC question. Without seeing anything, surely you people able to give the solution. Fine. Shall I give you the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Go. Don't see anywhere. Just follow the steps. One page is torn from your booklet whose page are numbered in the usual manner starting from the page of 1. The sum of the numbers on the remaining pages is 195. The torn page contains which of the following numbers? Everybody did. Srinath 7,8, Vishal 7,8, Shreya 7,8, Nitasha 7,8, Mani also 7,8, Samparna 7,8. Have you all followed the procedure? Whatever I have taught you, or else your people done already by using any other method. These methods, this procedure which I have taught you right now. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So able to get the answer, right? Others, I'm waiting for others also. Nikita, able to do?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Nikita. So do the practice. That's it. Step by step, start learning and solving the problems. Okay, then easily you will get. Develop your confidence level. Okay, understanding
Yes.
the basics are very important. That's it. Spend 1 hour for your CSAT daily if you are a beginner. Even those who are good in max or else those who are good in aptitude, they also need some kind of practice at the last moment, at least 6 months before. So now, listen, n into n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 195. N into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Sorry, let me cross multiply this. That is better. So n into n plus 1, so which is equal to 390. Right. So we need to find out the nearest number. You know, nearest number is 400. Simple. I will tell you. Checking now. Nearest number. Checking nearest perfect square number. You are having 19 into 19. 19 into 19, 381. Then you are having 20 into 20. Right. So that is nothing but 400. So here 400. So this is the nearest. Okay, this is the nearest. So the fourth step number 3. Okay. So now n is equal to 20. So therefore n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 20 into 21 by 2. We can cancel this here 10. So which is nothing but 210. So now step number 4. Find the missing. Okay. Find the difference here. What is the difference here? Difference is equal to 15.
15.
This 15 is nothing but a x plus 1. So which is equal to 15. Right. 2x plus 1 is equal to 15. Then 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 7. If x is equal to 7, x plus 1 is equal to 8. Therefore 7 comma 8. So clear how to do this kind of problems? Anybody having issues with the page number pro concepts? Whatever we have done, that is more than enough for a page number problems. You people sincerely solve this kind of problems. I will give you, okay, one question or two questions. Tomorrow team members may give you some questions in the group, in your channel. Okay, in our official channel they will give you. So follow these questions. Actually I thought to start with the basic number system also today, but I don't want to start this number system today, since you people get familiarized with the page concept, and then in the next class we will do the basic introduction with respect to number system. Then I'll give you what do you mean by divisibility. I will give you the division algorithm. Then we will start solving the some problems. Then in the next class we will start remainder, etc. So this is the procedure we are going to follow in the upcoming classes. That's it. Don't skip any live classes. That is my suggestion. If you are having any doubt, you can ask now. If no doubt means please mute yourself. Fine.
Hi, sir. This is Namrata.
Yes, yes.
Sir, not with the concept, but here in this question it says the sum of the number of the remaining pages. It is talking about the numbers. And in the previous question, it is telling about the sum of the remaining digit.
Same. See, what do you mean by sum of the remaining digit? Digit means every pages contain 1, second page contains 2, third page contains 3. That is the digit. Right. Sum of the pages itself nothing but the sum of the digits.
What if the digit is two digit?
Yeah, of course. 2 digit. See, when you are adding 99th page, right? 1 plus 99 is nothing but 100. Right. Sum of the digit means what? 1 plus. Understood or not?
Okay, getting so.
Everything. Okay. You need to start with the 1 plus like this. Okay, clear understanding?
Okay.
Okay. Any others having a doubt? No doubt. What you are asking is exactly right. Okay, what you are trying to ask. Okay, wait a minute. I will show you in the rough page. What she is asking is page number contains like this. Okay, she is asking that sum of the pages means this one. We need to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 10 like this. She was asking this only, right? In the previous question it was given as sum of the digits, right? That is our question, right?
Yes, sir. So for the
Ah,
digit, it would be 1 plus. Okay. Yeah, again, it's.
clear?
Okay, yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, anybody having a doubt? No. If no doubt means okay, we will wind up. In the next class we will see the next concepts. Okay, thank you all, have a good night.